Hey everyone, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Hey friends, so today's video is not a tutorial actually. This is just me getting ready using my favorite makeup products from Daiso. And I know this should have been an all Daiso makeup video, but since Daiso don't carry matte eyeshadow like this one or even a foundation, I only have seen BB creams from there and I don't like that one, so I just end up using the makeups that I have. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Done, and if you've enjoyed watching this video, make sure to hit the like button and also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already guys. And always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. I hope to see you in my next video guys, and thank you so much again for watching.